Hey guys, how are ya? Today, classic Australian lunch food. If you've eaten at any pub or establishment in Australia, you will know they all have a steak sandwich on the menu. I'm going to show you how I make it, just that little bit better. So starting off here with this fresh bread that I've baked, you can see how to make this bread in another video. It will be in the link below. Check it out. So as always, first thing I do, butter. Waiting for my pan to heat up, and what we're going to do is we're just going to fry this, and we just want that to get a nice golden brown color on that. Nice and crispy, and then we'll leave that side soft. So just the ingredients in this one, we've got some caramelized onion, we've got some lettuce, tomato, beetroot, and we've got the garlic aioli here. This is another one of my videos. You can check that out and see how to make it. The link will be up there. So you can see the bread's beautiful, golden, crunchy on the outside, nice and soft on the inside. And we're just going to throw our steak in there. Bit of salt on that one, and we're going to start to assemble this while we wait. Aioli, both sides. As always, burgers, sandwiches, you need to put sauce on both sides. Barbecue sauce, both sides. Lettuce. So this is classic Australian pub food. This is up there with crumb steak. As always with our steak, we check how we cook with the ball of our thumb here. And I'm going to cook this one medium rare. If you want to see my technique for cooking steak, there's another video for that also. You can check that out down below. All right, so we're just about ready now. We've probably got a minute until this is ready. I'm just going to throw the cheese on there, get it to melt. Caramelized onion on there. Trusty old finishing technique. Oh, that's good. Take that out of there. That there. Leave it to rest. Salt, pepper. Just gonna leave that another minute. Once it's finished resting, I'm gonna put it all together. It's gonna be delicious. You'll notice that I'm always cleaning, always wiping down my work area. It's something that makes cooking a heap easier, whether you're in your kitchen at home or at work. My wife would largely disagree with the fact that I clean up as I go. But yeah. All right, so the steak's rested. Take that out. On there. I am so excited for this. Oh my Lord. Oh, look at that. That weighs about half a kilo. Fresh baked focaccia. Beautiful rib fillet steak, house-made garlic aioli. All right, so it's time for a bit of a flex. This will be on my Instagram, on all the socials. Sorry, I just need a better. Oh yeah. Squares or triangles? The age-old battle. Squares, triangles, squares or triangles? Triangles wins. Oh no. Bugger. Oh no. Oh Lord, I'm a mess. This is absolutely delicious. If you've liked this video, if you found it informative, my whole aim is to bring you more information, and I really want to help you improve your cooking at home. If you feel like I've done that, please like this, please subscribe, please share it with your friends. Time for me to clean up.